Assalamualaikum my dear students. I hope you are all doing well and ready to learn about today's important and exciting topic. Before starting the topic, let us briefly look at the contents of today's lecture. First, we will begin with the introduction to understand the topic. Then we will discuss emerging artificial intelligence and the fundamentals of AI. After that, we will learn how artificial intelligence works and explore AI models and architecture. इसके बाद हम AI applications और biometric technology के बारे में बात करेंगे. Next, we will study the types of biometric system and their real life use. Finally, we will summarize the lecture in the conclusion, and at the end you will receive a short homework task. Now let us begin with the introduction. Today's lecture is about emerging artificial intelligence and biometrics. Artificial intelligence is one of the most powerful technologies of the modern world. It is transforming industries, education, healthcare, business and even our daily lives. अगर सिंपल वर्ड्स में हम इसकी बात करें तो हम आज के लेक्चर में ये समझने की कोशिश करेंगे कि AI क्या है, ये कैसे काम करती है और इसकी मुख्तलिफ एप्लीकेशंस क्या हैं. By the end of this lecture, you will understand the fundamentals of AI, its working process, different models and architectures, and the role of biometric systems in modern security technologies. Now, let us discuss the fundamentals of artificial intelligence. AI is the ability of a computer or machine to perform tasks that normally require a human intelligence. These tasks include like learning from data, recognizing patterns, making decisions, understanding language, solving problems. यानी कंप्यूटर को इस तरह प्रोग्राम किया जाता है कि वो इंसानों की तरह सीख सके, उसके बारे में सोच सके और उसके बारे में फैसले कर सके. AI system rely on algorithms, data and computational models to perform these tasks efficiently. Now the question arises, how does AI actually work? AI system work through a process that include data collection, training, learning and prediction. First, large amounts of data are collected. Then AI algorithm analyze this data to identify patterns and relationship. इसके बाद सिस्टम इस डाटा से सीखता है और फ्यूचर में ज़्यादा दुरुस्त फैसले करने के काबिल हो जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, an AI system trained with thousands of images can learn to recognize faces or objects accurately. Let us now move towards AI models and architecture. AI models are mathematical frameworks that allow machines to learn from data, like machine learning models, neural networks, deep learning architecture. Neural networks are inspired by the structure of the human brain, where interconnected nodes process information. अगर सिंपल वर्ड्स में इसकी बात करें तो ये मॉडल डाटा को मुख्तलिफ लेयर्स के ज़रिए प्रोसेस करते हैं ताकि ज़्यादा दुरुस्त या एक्यूरेट रिजल्ट हासिल किए जा सकें. These architecture help AI system perform complex tasks such as image recognition, speech recognition and language translation. Now let us discuss AI application with a focus on biometric technology. Biometric system use unique physical or behavioral characteristics of individuals for identification and authentication. AI helps biometric system become faster, smarter and more accurate. Like, for example, आजकल बहुत से सिक्योरिटी सिस्टम में AI based biometric verification इस्तेमाल की जा रही है. Biometric technologies can be divided into several types like fingerprint recognition, facial recognition, voice recognition, signature recognition. ये तमाम तर तरीके इंसान की मुनफरिद खसूसियात को इस्तेमाल करते हैं ताकि आइडेंटिटी वेरिफिकेशन महफूज तरीके से की जा सके. Now let us look at some real-world applications and ethical consideration of AI and biometrics. AI-powered biometric systems are widely used in smartphones for unlocking devices, airports for identity verification, banking system for secure transactions, security and law enforcement system. However, there are also ethical concerns related to privacy, data protection and misuse of personal information. इसलिए ज़रूरी है कि AI टेक्नोलॉजी को जिम्मेदारी और इखलाकी असूलों के मुताबिक इस्तेमाल किया जा सके. Organization must ensure transparency, fairness and protection of user data. Let us conclude today's lecture. In this lecture, we will discuss emerging artificial intelligence, AI fundamentals, how AI works, different AI models and architectures, and the role of AI in biometric system. We also explore types of biometrics, real-world applications, and ethical consideration. In short, कि AI में मुस्तकबिल एक अहम टेक्नोलॉजी है जो हमारी ज़िंदगी के मुख्तलिफ शोबों को तब्दील कर रही है. Understanding these technologies is essential for us who want to succeed in the modern digital world. Before ending the lecture, here is your homework task. Please review the topic of AI and biometrics from your textbook and write short answer to the following questions. Thank you and I look forward to discussing your answer in the next lecture.